Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. I would like you guys to please go for this beautiful short haircut we have for you guys. These are natural haircut for women that are on the go, and if you're really ready to show off your natural hair, you really want that kind of haircut that will accentuate your jawline, your face shape. If you really want that kind of hairstyle, you can achieve, without can achieve that will always make your hair look this healthy and look so maintained. I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end, because you're not going to regret watching this video. If it's the first time here on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, I just love this beautiful hairstyle. It's so incredible, and it's that kind of style that will give your hair that definition, and it's that style also that will turn many eyes in that occasion, because it will create pops of movement within your coils and always allowing light like to reflect, rather than retract. This haircut is also another beautiful style, and it can be proud of to make it so proud, like to really show how beautiful you are. Just always keep up on regular trims to always help keep your hair healthy and your coils defined and beautiful. This haircut is one of the hairstyles that is beautiful. Just make sure you keep washing to a minimal, because it's ideal, and a good care regime is more. So try using those coil defining leave-in conditioner for adding moisture and the coil. So this style, you can see, is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous for beautiful black women that really want to change things up. So if you're really considering the style, have it at the back of your mind that the style is flat fade and it's edgy. So to get this look, just ask your hairstylist for this kind of hairstyle. Okay, so let me just let you guys about the styles we have. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
I think I might go. What do you want?